Nrich Learning. The very first step is to create your institute profile. So let's get started with it. First, go to the Institute Manager section. Click on Institute Profile and here a page will show to add your details. So let's start with add your profile detail. Here you can add your institute profile name, your owner name and other things. And now in the social media links, you can add your social media details and searchable tags, and you can click on the save button and the institute profile will get created. Now you can add your subdomain name by just adding your institute profile name and click on submit section. You can even add your own domain by clicking on add my domain, and you can even add the teaser video link as a YouTube video link or a custom video link. And the most important part is the bank details, where you can add your bank details like PAN, IFSC code, and just like that your institute profile is created.